Hey guys, happy Tuesday. And today, tip of the day Tuesday is coming to you from Bozeman, Montana. We're out here fishing on the beautiful Gallatin River. And today we're going to talk about what I carry in the way of repair kit. Not a survival kit, this is just my repair kit. I put it in a little bag so I know exactly where it is and what it is. And we're going to break this down to kind of go through what the contents are. The first thing is dry suit or wader repair. Okay, so it comes in this little seal line, came with a little package. I have Aqua Seal in there, FD, perfect for dry suits or waders. T-zip, perfect for lubing that zipper if you have the zippers you need to lube, always important. Spare rubber pieces or seals. So these go over if you have a dry bag or anything like that, putting a little Aqua Seal and putting these on top is perfect. I also have these two little pieces. And what they are sticky dry suit material that you just peel, stick right on there, and you're good to go. Carry a little piece of sandpaper, about a 2-inch piece, and that's just to rough up the material before I put the Aqua Seal on it, making sure I got a good seal on that. Second thing I carry, zip ties. Why not? 550 cord, again, just in case. I always have carry some cord with me. Also, tear aid. So this is the type A stuff. Again, Aqua Seal is not available. You cut this out and put a little peel on there, and it's perfect. Headlamp, always important. If you have to do any repairs in the night. Also, is good to have is buckles. So I've gone through all of my gear over time, and I know exactly what buckle sizes I have. So if it's a backpack, a dry suit, there's a buckle on the inside, or waders, anything like that, I have all the little pieces for every gear that I have. Just put a little zip tie on it, and they're always there, always available. Beer opener, because that's important always. A carabiner, in case your backpack breaks, you can tie off with the 550 cord and you can get out of wherever you are. This one is a non-loading one, so I'm not doing any belaying. I carry safety pins, just kind of a variety of safety pins. If I have to pin a jacket or if my button breaks, I got an ability to do that. So another thing that I carry are zipper sliders. So if you guys saw my last video about zippers, these are all the little pieces. So this is a coil zipper and a Vessalon zipper. But all my gear, all my clothing, my backpacks, and my bags, all these zippers here are perfect and fit every jacket or clothing that I have. Another thing I carry are dog poop bags. All right, so I hate walking around the trail and finding dog shit everywhere. Also, because these are really thick plastic, I can put it over a hole in my jacket and put some duct tape around it, and now I have a waterproof jacket to get me out of wherever I'm at. Marker, so if my dry suit, if I'm leaking, if I have a spot in my dry suit that I'm leaking, I can spot it and circle where it's leaking, so when I get back to the house, I can put some Aqua Seal on there, and I know where it's leaking. I don't have to retry and wait and test it again. A pen, just in case. A lighter, a flathead screwdriver. This is good for pulling off the zipper sliders or the little tabs on the top. So, not survival, but I do have a little bit of a survival kit here. It's got duct tape on it, camo duct tape. Inside here is fishing line. That fishing line is used for sewing. If I have to hand stitch something, really nice, really strong. A little bit of thick thread.